It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday morning, September 23rd. I'm James Spann. Pretty quiet today on this first official day of fall. Check it out. Water vapor satellite view this morning. Polar jet stream on the Canadian border. Little weak upper low near Panama City. Temperatures are in the upper 60s to start today. We'll expect mid-80s today. The average high today is 83, maybe a degree or two above that. But understand there's no magic cool down once fall hits. It doesn't work that way down here in the deep south. That's the convective outlook today. No organized severe weather expected around the nation. Certainly nothing like that here. QPF chart coming from the guys at WPC. Really not much at all. This is for the next 5 days, valid through Monday morning, showing really nothing north of Birmingham. And even amounts down in South Alabama under a quarter inch. But no doubt, please understand, we'll have the chance of showers each day, but they'll just be kind of widely scattered and nothing too heavy. The big numbers up on the middle Atlantic coast with this little feature that's lurking about there. In fact, that thing is located, just a little to the east of Charleston. And it will not become a tropical system. Also got Tropical Storm Ida out there in the central Atlantic. Now, the system off the Carolina coast is expected to drift towards the west-southwest, coming in towards Savannah. And we'll keep an eye on that. It remains to be seen if that will bring any increased rain activity to our state in coming days, maybe near the Georgia border. And we do think the higher coverage of showers in the next 5 days will be over East Alabama. And Ida, in the middle of nowhere, stays in the middle of nowhere, and it stays a tropical storm into early next week. Here's the GFS, 1 o'clock this afternoon. You see the little weak upper low that's around Panama City. Polar jet up north. And down below that, again, we'll have a partly sunny and warm day with mid-80s. A shower possible, but not likely. Tomorrow, pretty much the same thing. Highs up in the middle 80s, partly sunny. Showers will be very widely spaced. Friday, an easterly flow kicks in, and this doesn't show much, but I do think there will be a general increase in the number of showers Friday. Still understand they'll be scattered, but no doubt I think they will be around. That map really doesn't reflect that, but we'll kind of mention that in the forecast with moisture deepening across the state. And the high Friday could drop into the 70s, especially on the eastern side of the state with increased clouds and showers. All right, weekend warriors, this is Saturday. Heat bubble over the southwest, polar jet stream up north. The flow here is weak. And again, down below that little feature continues on the coast of the Carolinas with rain and breezy conditions there. And again, for us, you don't see a lot of green here, but no doubt I think we will see scattered showers around. So for the Alabama game in Tuscaloosa, the Auburn game at Jordan-Hare Stadium Saturday evening, we will mention the risk of a passing shower or two. Again, nothing heavy. Probably no thunder. Just be aware of that. And the high Saturday should be around 80. And the same thing on Sunday. A few scattered showers. The high close to 80 with some sun at times. Go to Monday of next week. We'll watch that developing low near the Yucatan in the southern Gulf of Mexico. Here's Tuesday. That thing not moving much. And here's a week from today, Wednesday the 30th, end of the month. Ridging off to the west, little trough developing over the eastern U.S. And again, the low in the Gulf just not moving much. All the global models are showing this, by the way. This is the European, valid Wednesday of next week. If this becomes significant, will it, just meander about and drift south like the models are suggesting or come north? Nobody knows that yet. Just be aware the pattern favors that, so we'll keep an eye on that. This is the end of the forecast period, the end of next week, Friday, October 2nd. If you're looking for cold air, not happening with a pattern like that. The polar jet is way up north, and that looks relatively quiet. Temperatures for the next 15 days, and these numbers are about where we should be for this time of the year. Upper 70s, low 80s, lows mostly in the lower 60s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.